Hello everyone, just thought I'd post this video just to see if I can help anyone else out there who might be in the same sort of situation as me. I've got a beko tumble dryer. The one I've got is a, I don't know if you can see that, but it's DCU 8230. Yeah, and basically what happened was I was drying some clothes and then it just stopped turning and started making like a humming noise. Obviously I thought I'd leave it at 5 minutes and it just kept doing it, so I knew there was a problem. Obviously tried resetting it and turning it off and turning it on, blah 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 blah. In the end, cut through to the meat of the potato, it didn't work. So I mean, it's just out of warranty, so I thought I'd have a little look at it myself, because these units aren't cheap, you know, especially in this bloody day and age. Anyway, so took the top cover off. I was hoping I'd be able to see the motor capacitor looking in the top. Didn't exactly work out. Anyway, the top needed to come off, and essentially it was 3 screws at the back and the top just lifts off. And then you need to, in this particular case, with this particular model, you take off the right hand side panel, the white panel that goes over this. And to do that, there was 2 screws in the top either end. But there's also a screw on the bottom of it. This is on the bottom left, so the front side of it. Just be careful with that one, because you don't want to end up bending the outer casing and it look foul. Anyway, so the problem was, drum went turning and it's making a humming noise. Anyway, so one trick I know with these is, I thought I'd try doing it, try and get it to run with the drum, like if I just push the drum like that, because I know that if that starts it working, then it's capacitor fault. And to do that, you turn the power on and basically just turn the drum like that. Be very careful when you do it. You don't want to lose your hand, so be very careful. And if you don't feel confident, then just, I don't know, call a repairman or go and buy a new one. Your choice. But yeah, essentially there's the capacitor there. Sorry, I'll try and do this. But essentially these two, see if I can hold this. Right, these 2 wires go either side of the capacitor. I've already taken them off, but yeah, when you've done that, you snip off the cable tie and it just comes straight out. And I've just ordered a new one of these up. I know it is this, so I just thought I'd post this to try and help someone. But yeah, I doubt you can see it on this camera, but it has blown. But yeah, and it was £16 with delivery next day. Yeah, so I just thought I'd post this and might be able to help someone out and save some money. Cheers, bye.